Hello, friends! Today we're going to do some fun and healthy yoga exercises for our bodies. Follow along and do them with me. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Stand tall like a mountain. Feet strong on the ground. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Do it just like me. Stand like a tree. Breath in and smile. Very good.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg.
Excellent. Now let's move the next exercise.
Stand tall. Reach up. Breathe in.
Reach up to the sky. Nice job.
Now, we will do the warrior pose. One leg forward, the other back. We bend the front knee. We raise our arms up. We keep our torso upright. We are strong.
Excellent.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg. You are doing great. Please sit down. Now, sit comfortably. Relax and breathe. Very good. Sit comfortably.
Reach up to the sky. Breath in and smile. Excellent.
We're sitting in this position. Feet together, flap your wings gently, like a butterfly. Awesome! Let's keep going. Now, look at me. Sit down like me. We are now in cat pose. Now, we are in cow pose.
Do it just like me.
You are doing great. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Stretch like a puppy. Push the floor away. Breathe in and out. You are doing very well. Now we're going to do camel pose. Knees on the ground, body upright, hands on hips. Slowly bend backwards.
Breath in and smile.
You are doing great. Rest like a little child. Breathe slowly. Feel calm and safe.
Excellent.
Lie down comfortably. Let's sleep. Let's rest peacefully.
We have completed the yoga exercises with you. Congratulations! You did very well. Did you like our yoga today? Like and subscribe for more fun yoga.